Challenge 5. While the iron's hot. What do we got? 11 Wastelanders. 11 Wastelanders. 11 Wastelanders. And over here, the only thing we really need, the Bounty Hunter. Let's make it happen. First step. We're going to bring in Forrest. And we're just going to leave him there. We're going to bring in 8 Dopplers. And when they start attacking the Dopplers, we'll slowly clear them out. Here they come. Don't be in a hurry. That way you don't get too much damage to your Dopplers. Every time that they get stunned, you can kill them. If they're not stunned, don't kill them because they will kill your Dopplers. Take out the barbed wire. As they come up, wait till they're trying to kill somebody else, and then kill them with your Dopplers. All right, now we're going to retreat them because what we need next is we're going to use the Bounty Hunter to bring some of those tanks that are in the back to the front. All right, now we're going to bring our Dopplers back in. Just kill them as they come forward. Wait till they come forward so that they don't attack your Dopplers. Here they come. Again, you're not in a hurry. Take your time. Wait till they decide to come on the attack. They will come. All right, now you got rid of them. Save your Dopplers, otherwise they will kill your Dopplers. Basically, at this point, you're done. Get some Wastelanders in here and just run around the outside and clean it out. 11 Wastelanders. They're going to take a little bit of damage, but not a lot. But that's why I have a couple of tunes, because when they get a little bit, I can quickly repair them. So I let them take a little bit of damage, not a lot, and then I send in some more. Wastelanders are unbelievable effective. They do a great job. Kill that one. Okay, get rid of them. Our goal is to take minimal damage. That way we can keep fighting. Send in 11 more. Clean out the other side. You'll take a little bit of damage, but you won't take much. Okay, now at this point, we need to get the Bounty Hunter to come a little bit closer so that everything shoots at what the Bounty Hunter has to offer. So we are here. Once he gets down here, we'll come down here, we'll clean out the other side, and we're done. All right, there they are. Bounty Hunter is just a distraction. Keeps everything from shooting my Wastelanders. And basically at this point we're done. We're just doing cleanup. It's just that easy, just that quick. Minimal damage. Clean up on aisle 6. That's what it comes down to. Kill him, put it on Ruby, clean out the rest of the base, and you're done. Challenge 5. Easily defeated. Thank you. Come on. Show me what I got. We'll go in the base and see how much damage. This is very, very little damage. Two seconds with a bounty hunter. 1 minute. And 2 minutes. Just that easy, just that quick.